Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can replace background of our video using YouCam Perfect application. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, make sure you have installed this application on your mobile phone. And after you have installed this application, you can open it. And we're going to go to the photo edit menu right here. Go to the photo edit and you're going to select the photo you want to replace the background. For example, I'm going to select photos from this pins folder. I'm going to select this photo. Okay, and before you replace the background of your photo, you can go to the cutout option to remove the background of your photo. You can manually remove the background of your photo using the smart brush. So make sure you have activated this feature. And if you want to manually remove the background, you can select this eraser and then you can erase the background. But I'm just going to use the smart brush and I'm going to click on this check mark. Okay, as you can see guys that the background has been removed from my photo. And then if we want to replace the background with another background, we can go to the background option. Okay, and here you will be able to get a lot of backgrounds. You can change the background color right here like this, or you can replace it with a picture. It's up to you like this. You can also make the background blur. Just customize the blur intensity right here. And for example, guys, I'm going to select this one. Okay, this one is good. And you can adjust the position like this. You can zoom in or zoom out your photo. Okay. Now it's done guys, and as you can see that the background has been changed. And I'm going to click on the check mark and then you can continue your editing. You can add filter or do adjustment or add sticker, and it's up to you. You can edit the photo according to your needs and as creative as you can. Okay, then if you want to save the photo, you can click on save option. Okay guys, and that's all the way to replace background of our video using YouCam Perfect application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.